Yeah. Fuck with the trap. Girl, I said it in tough. Ice and
Trying on my cousin, well, trying on the shorts I made for my cousin, and I gave it to her. And it don't pass my leg. Hold on. It don't pass my leg. Just kidding. I'm not thick. Anyways, Malik is gonna try them on now. It's Sisterhood of the Tribe with a short.
School me to the game, man, know my duty. Stay humble, stay low, blow like booty. True pimp, spin no dough on the booty. Yeah, we go make scared, go you cutie.
This is your mic. More problems,
Strip your fucking clothes off, girl, me love all of your flaws. Pretty like the flow, wine of the vibes. Could I fuck you if you don't want no pass? Hey, fuck pussy, girl, you got the pop wine of your dress. Pussy are the cars for the one mount of cars. On the rock, what's on your pants? You want drink and a sober split line. So me charge if you come in and your belly pussy tight and a lot.
Me not normally chat me business, but I want you need crowd. From a day me a link with a boy, I'm notice something kinda loud. Me book up in a him profile when me dip on IG a bros. Here say him have a big body, yeah, but me not care, me a take it.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't bob in the weather rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. No wahala, she no one no wahala. But she lead a real man like Katie. Say how can you that baby that's it for.
Good morning. You hear the rooster? Yeah, he's late. Supposed to be doing that at 7 or something. Anyways, views. Ouch. Oops, sorry. Look at the views. Look at the views. The mountains. The mountains. That person's house. The mountains. Yeah, man. Alright. Ew! Ouch! Like something's biting me. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. Thumbnail? Thumbnail? You think this is thumbnail? I think it was the window in the room. The wind. The wind. Anyways, alright. Okay. I'm still here. Ooh. I need to get up and go wash my face. It's still morning, don't judge me. It's still morning. I'm getting weight because look at my neck. It's getting like all fat. Ew, get off me. Getting fat. Come on. Anyways. I need to go see my grandparents because I miss them. And I need to go see them. I'm not gonna come back until I've gone and washed my face because this is disgusting and ridiculous. Yeah. Don't mind if you're walking on my video. Think. Ah! She hates me.
Then break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw. I praise the Lord, then break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours.
She came, I came. Now what's my name? My chain, my pants with the chain.
It looks like it's about to what? That one here look dark. Oh my god. It's not that dark. The camera is. What are we doing? See those flies right there? See those flies? I don't know what they are, but it's not yet. Damn, that's dramatic. It's not that dark. It's dark, but it's not that dark. Anyways, yeah. Oh, they're back. It's like they're getting closer. Okay, but no one in the house. I was trying to like, I don't know what the heck. Hold up, I need to find like. Oh my God. Me not call out the Lord's name in vain. Ew, smell like dirty. Anyways. Boom. Okay. Give Malik a foot massage. Ouch. Close my. You have to stretch. I feel good? Why would I break your foot? You not switch up for your American accent for the vlog. Ooh, that one felt good, right? Yeah. See? All the females in my family are wife material, but guess what? We don't want to be wives, okay? They don't want us to be wives because we want to be successful, independent, strong black women. On this though I have it and on this I can be salt. Okay, go. Baking brownies. I hope it comes out well. Alright, bye bye. So the brownie is done. It's a fudge brownie. This is what the box looks like. It don't really look like mine, but you can see the fudge coming out in these corners here and here and like here. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, all right. Good morning. Hi. The window's annoying now. Okay. I got ready. I took a shower. It's Sunday. I should start probably saying the days. By the time I upload this clip that you guys are watching, I don't know what day this vlog is. This vlog could be day 30. This vlog could be day 25. This vlog could be day 40. Okay, it hasn't been 40 days, but I don't know what the day is. But I'm wearing this top. I don't think I'm gonna wear the jeans because it's really crinkled. And yeah. Alright, I'll chat to you guys later. Alrighty. Alright guys, I'm about to go to Auntie Shireen's house because there's no electricity here. I guess they're working on something. So Shoshana and Malik ditched me. I have to go over to them. I have no service. I have no credit. Hi. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think maybe we can go get some ice cream today since it's Sunday. I don't know, go down by the water or something. I don't know. Alright, I'll be back.
can move on, that's alright.
Living the life of my dream, living it up with my team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't achieve. Living the life.